Support. Verb. To support means to help. Example: friends should support each other.
The woman is supporting her friend in a difficult situation.
Achieve a dream. To achieve a dream is to make a big wish come true. Example sentence: working hard helps you achieve dreams.
They achieved their dream of buying a house.
Gaze. Verb. To gaze means to look with big interest. Example sentence: people like to gaze at the sky.
The woman is gazing at something in front of her.
Lasting. Adjective. Lasting means to continue for a long time. Example sentence: they've had a lasting friendship. More than 30 years. Travel brochures. They got some travel brochures to plan their summer vacation.
They are looking at some travel brochures about Peru.
Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin means to stay together in both good and bad times.
It's really good to have someone with you through thick and thin.
Reminisce. Verb. To reminisce means to talk about memories. Example sentence: they spent the evening reminiscing about their school days.
The old couple in the video is reminiscing about the old times.
Starry sky. A starry sky is a night sky full of stars. Example sentence: camping under a starry sky is awesome.
The man is looking at a starry sky.
Make a pact. To make a pact means to make a promise together. Example sentence: they made a pact to help each other.
They are making a pact to help each other in their new job.
Jot down. Phrasal verb. To jot down means to write something quickly.
She's jotting down some important notes.